And there are three of you.
Three of...
It's you, your best friend, and your boyfriend.
Ang dami naman. Oh.
And amongst the three of you, it's only you who knows how to swim. If the boat will sink, who are you going to save? And why?
Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Jack, for the question.
Okay.
My answer is, I'd rather save myself.
Ano daw?
I'd rather save myself.
The question is, you can save only one.
I mean, no, I was...
You can save yourself and another one. Would you save your best friend or your boyfriend?
I don't know, but...
Thank you. Very well said.
Kainis naman to. Sino save mo?
Ako. Ay, hindi.
Ay, may nag-text. Papa Jack, that's a major question.
Yes,
it's a major question, mga kaibigan. Huh?
I choose my best friend.
What about your boyfriend? What if you save your best friend and then later on you find out that your best friend and your boyfriend have a relationship?
Oh my gosh.
Would you push your best friend back to Ilog Pasig?
No.
Where? Pacific Ocean?
Because I'm gonna kill her.
Walang pinag-isipang English, ha? Oh, you know, you talk in English like fluently, you know, you enunciate words, and we love it. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's our candidate number one, Ms. Ran of QC. Thank you so much, candidate number one. Now you can go to the ramp and do your traditional quarter turn. All right, turn to your left right now, and to your left again right now, and another one to your left right now, and finally face the audience right now.
What a pageant.
Pageant natin. Salamat sa pagtawag.
Sige po.
Ren, na-enjoy ko na sobra.
And
sobra
ko din na-enjoy.
Si Sailon Ching, crush ka niya.
Crush ka din.
Walang alam, Biro. Bibihirang babae ang may interview ko sa Wild Confessions nang nagugustuhan ni Sailon Ching.
Talaga?
Sobrang bihira. Very rare. Hindi ko alam. Kasi ang ganda mo kasi.
Yeah.
Ako, Sailon Ching, ha? I am mesmerized.
Mesmerized.
May kanta ko para sa'yo.
Ano po yun?
Lumang kanta na naman.
Okay lang.
Wala tayo, Sailon Ching. Sobrang, ano na? You doing that thing you do, breaking my heart into a million pieces, like you always do.
What a line.
Baby. Ang landi ng color, and also super trying hard.
Yes.
Sobra naman to. Nasaan na lahat ako. Alright. Thank you so much for calling.
Thank you po.
Yeah, Sailon Ching, Pendaflex, and Mona Lisa Turingan, we find you very beautiful.
Wow.
Sa picture na tinitignan namin ngayon.
Thanks.
Maraming salamat. I hope you become part of our Girl of the Month.
I hope so.
Salamat.
Allow me.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you po.
Salamat. Mga kaibigan, that was our caller Ran of QC. Sailon Ching, wala nangyari, nag-confess, wala po naganap, nothing naughty, mga kaibigan. Although, somewhat naughty, but we enjoyed it so much. Oh my God.